Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Trello. We'll dive into their core functionalities, helping you decide which tool best suits your needs. Notion provides a highly customizable, all-in-one workspace, perfect for detailed knowledge bases and complex projects. Trello, on the other hand, offers a straightforward, visual approach with its intuitive card-based system, making task management incredibly simple for teams of any size. When it comes to features, Notion's strength lies in its versatility. You can create intricate databases, wikis, and documents all within one platform, tailoring every page to your exact specifications. Trello focuses on simplicity, using its iconic boards, lists, and cards for clear task visualization. While less flexible in core structure, Trello's power-ups and integrations allow for significant expansion, adding features like calendar views or advanced reporting. Collaboration is central to both tools. Notion allows multiple users to edit pages simultaneously with granular sharing permissions. Trello facilitates team collaboration through shared boards, comments, and checklists on cards. Regarding pricing, Notion offers a robust free personal plan and team plans starting at approximately $8 per user per month. Trello also has a very capable free tier, with business plans beginning around $5 per user per month, making it a cost-effective option for many teams. So, who should use which? Notion shines for those needing an all-encompassing workspace. Think detailed wikis, complex project management with custom databases, or extensive personal organization. Trello is perfect for teams that thrive on visual task management, like agile development, content calendars, or simple project tracking. If customization and an integrated knowledge base are key, go with Notion. For straightforward, visual task management, Trello is your champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.